Hello students, good morning to all. In earlier class, we discussed about the types of immunity, right? Today's class, we are going to discuss about some of the immunological disorders. So, immunological disorders. So, immunity also undergoes some of the diseases, disorders. What is immunity? The immunity is a specialized system protect against, fight against with some of the antigens. So it prevents the diseases in the body. But immunity system also undergoes some of the disorders. Yes. Immunological disorders are majorly classified into three different types. Those are immunodeficiency disorders, hypersensitivity, and autoimmune disorders. So immunological disorders, immunodeficiency disorders, hypersensitivity, and autoimmune disorders. Immunodeficiency disorders. Immunodeficiency in the name only. Immunodeficiency decreases. So immunity is going to be decreases. Immunity decreases means whatever the cells providing the immunity, whatever the organs are providing the immunity, it is going to be decreases, affected. That type of the disorders are called immunodeficiency disorders. So immunodeficiency disorders, they occur when the immune response of the body is sorry, immunodeficiency disorders, they occur when the immune response of the body is reduced or absent. So immune response, what is meant by immune response? Any type of the antigen enters inside the body, so our immunity system is going to be response that particular cells, it is going to be respond against that particular antigen, for example releasing of antibodies. So such type of the activities are takes place, that is immune response. So they occur when the immune response of the body is reduced or absent. Immune response is reduced or completely absent. That type of the disorders are called immunodeficiency disorders. So immune response decreases means what happens? Reduced means what happens? Obviously, what happens? Whatever the antigen, it is not going to be destroyed. So proper response is not there. The antigens are not destroyed. Then the diseases will attain to the body, right? So immunodeficiency disorders, the best example is one of the example, AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immuno, we discussed acquired immunity. What is acquired immunity? After the birth, whatever the immunity the persons will get, that type of the immunity is called acquired immunity. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, deficiency decreases syndrome. In the name only, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome caused by what? HIV virus. In 10th class already you read related to AIDS and HIV. So it is the type of immunodeficiency disorders. So what is the reason for HIV? There is a particular proper medication is not there, because the reason is in the AIDS. So whatever the immunity causing cells, majorly the lymphocytes are going to be affected. In second PVC, we will discuss about AIDS and HIV virus life cycle completely. Okay, just now you can remember, you should remember that immunodeficiency disorder. What is immunodeficiency disorder, and what is the example for immunodeficiency disorder? Okay, right. Next one, hypersensitivity. Hypersensitivity are also called allergies. So what are allergies? So there is some of the elements enters inside the body. So those elements are causes allergies. So which element, which factors causes allergies to the human body? That are called allergens. When allergens are enters inside the body, So our immune system is going to be response that time some of the antibodies releasing is takes place. That is called hypersensitivity or allergies. So what is the example? What are the examples for allergens? Animal dander or some of the dust particles. So those such type of the allergens enters inside the body, or there may be it may be food colors or some of the foods are going to be causes allergies to the human body. That time also our immunity system going to be responds and releases some of the antibodies against allergens. So that condition is called hypersensitivity. At that time, some people are getting skin rashes, allergies, and a running nose. So such type of characters, such type of the changes that takes place in the body. Why allergens are enters inside the body. That is called hypersensitivity. Next one, autoimmune disorders. Autoimmune disorders. Auto means what? Not three-wheeler auto, right? Auto means self. Autoimmune disorders. Self. Earlier classes we discussed the immunity system. Our immunity system majorly works based on the recognition of self and non-self cells. First, our immunity system is need to be identified which are self cells and which are non-self cells. The discrimination is there, particular discrimination is there, then only it destroys self, it destroys non-self cells. Whenever distinguish is not there, then obviously it is unable to identify, it kills both it kills both self cells and non-self cells also. You understood or not? Right? So autoimmune disorders means our immunity system cells destroys our own cells only, our self cells only, because of failure of discriminate between self and non-self cell, obviously. So in that cases also some of the disorders, one of the best example is arthritis. Arthritis is nothing but joint pain. So autoimmune disorders, one of the example is arthritis. So this is regarding about immunological disorders, immunodeficiency disorders, hypersensitivity and autoimmune disorders, right? Immunological disorders, when immune response is reduced or absent, example is AIDS. Hypersensitivity, there is allergen centers. Whenever allergen centers inside the body, it causes allergies. So autoimmune disorders, self cells only going to be destroyed, that is autoimmune disorders. Example arthritis. Okay. Next one, organs of immune system. We discussed in earlier classes, immunity is maintained by immune system. So immune system means what? Some of the cells are presented, some of the proteins are presented, some of the different types of organs are presented in various locations in our body. So our organs of immune system. So what are the organs related to the immune system presented in our body? So majorly two different types of the organs. Those are called primary lymphoid organs, secondary lymphoid organs. So organs of immune system consist with two different types majorly, that those are primary lymphoid organs and secondary lymphoid organs. Primary lymphoid organs. What are primary lymphoid organs? Bone marrow and thymus. Bone marrow. Inside the bone, whatever the material is presented, those are called bone marrow. From the bone marrow, the production of blood cells takes place, and bone marrow and thymus. Thymus is one of the endocrine gland which is presented near to the lungs. Bone marrow and thymus, these are called primary lymphoid organs. Right? Next one, secondary lymphoid organs. So secondary lymphoid organs are located in our body in various regions. Those are appendix, tonsils, lymph nodes. So tonsils are presented in this region, in the neck region, the buccal cavity. So buccal cavity opens connected with the pharynx. Uh, so in that region, there is tonsils are presented. And next one, lymph nodes are presented, distributes in the different regions in our body, various locations in the body. And appendix, so appendix which is presented, there is a small finger like structure which is presented wherever the small intestine connects with a large intestine. In the large intestine, the cecum region, the first part of the large intestine, in that region there is a small finger like structure is presented, that is called appendix. So appendix is one of the secondary lymphoid organ. Up to this clear? So organs of immune system, primary lymphoid organs and secondary lymphoid organs. Primary lymphoid organs are bone marrow and thymus. Secondary lymphoid organs, appendix, tonsils, lymph nodes, along with in that some of the mucosa associated lymphoid tissue presented in the region of digestive system also. Those are all comes under in secondary lymphoid organs. So primary lymphoid organs are bone marrow and thymus only. Hope all of you understood up to this class. Thank you very much. Bye bye.